What's the meaning of bobby pin? Bobby pin. Bobby pin.
Bobby pin. Bobby pin. A bobby pin is a small, flat, bent hairpin that is used to hold hair in place. It is typically made of metal and has two prongs that can be pressed together to secure it in hair. The name bobby pin is believed to have originated in the early 20th century in England, where police officers were called bobbies and the pins were used to keep their hats in place. Bobby pins are a staple hair accessory and are used by people of all ages and genders to create various hairstyles or to keep hair out of their faces during physical activities.